Hey guys, let's see today how to convert Word to Excel. Yeah. So sometime what happened, guys? Let's example. This is the content in my the Word, and this one I wanted to convert into the Excel because today in this video you'll learn how to convert Word Excel. So it's just to select this the row and column and go to insert here. You can see over here and just go to the table and you can see that option is coming convert text to table. Yeah, you can go here and just go for OK. Yeah, so you can see that it's converted into the table format. And now guys, you can just go to file and now go to save as, and from here let's example I wanted to save this document on desktop. So please make sure guys you have to select the plain text while saving. You just give any like yeah, test 1 2 3 and save as type. You must select plain text. Yeah, just go for save, just go for okay. Yeah, now you can go to the desktop and you can see, yeah, now it got saved in my desktop. And now guys just go and yeah, go here, and once you open the Excel, go to the file and yeah, just open yeah, go to the data, and from here just from text just select that one. And now guys from here you can select where this document saved on desktop. Yeah, you can here just import. Yeah, it's importing now. Just wait for a moment. Just you can click either load or transform data. So for me, I'm going to click the transform data. Yeah, and just you go and close this one. Yeah, just keep. Yeah, yeah. Here you go. So now you have successfully. So now guys, you have successfully converted Word to Excel. So this way, guys, if you have any kind of a requirement, you can go and convert Word to Excel. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.